Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to give you explanation of poem The Frog and the Nightingale in English and in Hindi. So, it is about that once upon a time a frog croaked away in Bengal bog every night from dusk to dawn. He croaked on and on and on. So it is that once upon a time a frog croaked in Bengal bog. So as you can see here in the picture that this is a Bengal bog, and here the frog used to croak and from the evening to the early morning, and he used to croak continuously. And here as we can see here that it is used AWN on. So here on is misspelled and mispronounced as on, so that it rhymes with dawn. So Bengal means name of the bog. Bog refers to an area that is very wet and muddy. On is refers, as I told you earlier, misspelled and mispronounced as on, so that it rhymes with dawn. So literacy devices here is rhyme scheme is AABB. Onomatopoeia is in croaked word in this line. Repetition is on, as on is repeated here 3 times, and alliteration is here in Bengal bog as B sound is repeated in the first letter of these both words that are Bengal and bog. And antithesis is dusk, dawn. Okay, so now this time is for the Hindi explanation of this para. So once upon a time a frog croaked away in Bengal bog every night from dusk to dawn. He croaked away on and on and on. So once upon a time a frog. So एक टाइम की बात है जब फ्रॉग जो था वो क्रोक करता था, जो आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है बेंगल बॉग, यहाँ पर वो रात से लेकर सुबह तक क्रोकिंग वॉइस निकालता था और वो कंटिन्यूसली लगातार क्रोकिंग करता था फ्रॉम द इवनिंग टू द अर्ली मॉर्निंग. डॉन इज फॉर अर्ली मॉर्निंग. सो यहाँ पे हमें पता चलता है कि जो फ्रॉग है, कि हमें पता है दैट द वॉइसेस ऑफ बर्ड्स आर वेरी मेलोडियस, बट इट इज़ रिफर्स कि जो फ्रॉग है वो रात भर गाता था. तो स्टोरी इज़ ऑल अबाउट द सॉन्ग ऑफ द फ्रॉग एंड द अदर वन इज़ नाइटिंगेल. एज वी कैन कंक्लूड विद द टाइटल ऑफ दिस पोएम दैट इट इज़ फ्रॉग एंड द नाइटिंगेल.